everyone, how are you? I hope you're well and having a really good day today. My name is Marina if you are new here, and today's video is going to be a beauty haul, mainly makeup and then a few hair care bits, but we'll see how long this video gets. So I'm going to jump straight into it. The first thing I have to show you is a pair of lashes. These are sold in Primark and they are the Sosu Glam Lash collection in the style Milan. And these were £5 and they are stunning. I also have the pair Dubai on today, which are awesome. So £5, you cannot go wrong. Next I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills, I was going to say Modern Renaissance, Soft Glam palette. This arrived in the post the other day. It's got the lovely same packaging as the Modern Renaissance, and I used it yesterday so it's a bit dusty, but this is what the, excuse my two nails without any polish on and the brush is gone, but yeah, these are the colours. They're so stunning. I was having a bit of trouble with this one yesterday, like when I was trying to put it on with other shadows, it was just completely taking away from the other shadows. So I'm gonna have another play with this, but then I used it the day before and just used these ones and it was so stunning. So I love this already. I love the formula of Anastasia eyeshadows, so worth the money. I absolutely am in love with that. And then I got the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. I'm currently got an open one, but this is just a backup one, 6 months. So it's only last 6 months. I've had mine open for like a year. Oops. Oh no, have I had this one before? Oh yeah, they've changed the packaging, haven't they? I was like, mine don't look like this. I actually prefer this packaging, it's really nice. So yes, once I finish my current one. Oh my god, did you hear that? There's an actual ghost in this house. What the was that? Oh my god, I'm well scared. I'm actually too scared now. Okay, let's carry on. Go away, ghost. The next thing I bought was the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I had a, well, my partner had a gift voucher from Christmas for Debenhams and he was like, you can have it. So I bought this. That's what the one looks like. It's a really good mascara. I wouldn't necessarily buy it again if I didn't have a gift voucher, because for the money I can find a one just as good in the drugstore, whereas this one is like £20 or just over. So I do really like it and I would get it again, but I wouldn't pay for it with my own money unless there was like a deal or something. The next product that I got is the EX1 Invisiwear Liquid Foundation. So they have started to sell this at Boots now, and I'm doing a whole review on this after this video. I have got it on today. It's a really nice medium coverage foundation, but stay tuned for my review of this for more info, because I don't want this haul to be really long, but I have got a lot of stuff. And then I went to Shoreditch with my fiance because we really wanted, there's a steakhouse called Flatiron Steakhouse and it does the best steak in the world, and we really fancied it, so we went there last week. There's a few different ones dotted around London, but we went to the Shoreditch one, which I haven't been before. There was a row of like really cute shops and they had the Ordinary shop. So I'm not sure if any of you have heard of this, but a lot of people have talked about their foundation, saying that it's really good coverage. It's only £6, so it's just says the Ordinary, and I got the shade, I don't know, 2.0 YG. So Y I think meant like yellowy undertones, so I got that one. I haven't tried this out yet. I'm going to try it out next week, but that's what the bottle looks like there. How much mil do you get in here? You get 30 mil. It looks tiny, but you do get a good amount in there. So on Wednesday, my next day off, I'm going to do a video on this, hopefully do like first impressions of it. And then with that, I also got the primer. It says it's high spreadability fluid primer. But then I asked on my Facebook group what people thought of this, and my friend said the primer was disgusting and horrible, and then loads of people said the foundation rubs off really quickly, but I want to be my own judge, so that's what the primer looked like. It felt really nice and smooth on my skin, so I am quite excited to try that, and hopefully it works for me. You get 30ml in there as well. And then what else have I got here? I picked up the Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara because I work in Boots, and this was literally opposite my counter and I was looking at it all the time. So I haven't actually opened it yet, so I'm not going to open it because I don't want it to dry up, but that is what the packaging looks like there. And the reason, the main reason I got this was because they were giving away a free makeup bag, which looks like this. And you know I cannot resist this, so I was like, I need it just for the bag. So yeah, I kind of got it just for the bag, but hey ho. So I will try that eventually. Then I picked up a Urban Decay eyeshadow primer in Eden, because this one is my favourite. I prefer it to the original. It gives a nice colour to the lid and kind of conceals. Sorry, it looked really small. And you look tiny, are you a baby? Anyway, there you go. Yeah, I love it so much. I've still got one open at the moment, which I'm using up. And then I got the Kat Von D tattoo liner. This is a backup because I have one at the moment. Again, I bought this on the Debenhams gift card, so I didn't pay for that, which was really nice. And then what else have I got in here? I bought some Jeffree Star from his new Lovesick collection. I only got 2 of the lip ammos because I've never tried them before and they're in my favourite colours ever. I've got Calabasas, which is downstairs in my handbag, and I CBA to go get it. But I have Calabasas, the matte version, on my lips today, so, you know. This is the bouteille packaging. And then I also got Androgyny because it's my favourite ever. And this is the packaging. It's so cute. I haven't actually worn this one yet. And they have a really nice smell. They smell like really sweet. And then NYX have discontinued some products from their line. So they were discounted. So I got a NYX Butter lipstick in the shade Root Beer Float. So the packaging looks brown, but it's actually a really gorgeous pink, like nudie pink. I absolutely love this, and this went down to like £2.40 or something ridiculous, and the formula of those are lovely. They're really soft and creamy. Also, what are these? Baked blush are being discontinued, so I picked up the shades Foreplay. So the packaging is a bit bulky, which is a bit annoying, but these are really nice, shimmery, gorgeous, just for like a pop of colour, or even like a blush topper if for another blusher. I also picked up this shade Wanderlust. I think this is my favourite. They're very, very similar. Well, I haven't opened this. Oh yeah, there you go. Oh no, my battery's dying. Goodbye, it's gonna go. Sorry. I'm back, sorry. Yes, okay. Where was it? So, next I bought, oh yeah, I was talking about NYX having things on sale. So I got the NYX Full Throttle lipstick in just the shade 10. It's a really nice berry, really dark berry purple colour. I haven't used that one yet, so I look forward to it. It's a stunning colour. I got 2 of the Makeup Revolution concealers. Been looking for these since they came out, and my 2 local Superdrugs didn't have these, which was really annoying. But then I went to Westfield with my friends and they had a few there, so I picked up 2 because apparently they run out really quickly. So I got the shade C4. They did have a C1, but it was actually really light. But this one is an okay shade for me, but I would probably go to the C2 or C3 personally. But I love the packaging. It's gorgeous rose gold. You get a really nice big doe foot applicator, and you get 3.4ml in here. So yeah, I got 2 of those ones because why not? Oh yeah, I tried to find my Calabasas lipstick. Where you at, girl? Anyway, I got a MAC Prep and Prime again with my Debenhams gift card. I had to pay a little bit over because I only had 25 on there, and I got it in the coconut range, and I haven't used it, so should we try it? Hello? Ooh! That smells real good. It's all in my hair now. Yeah, that smells really nice. It's not too overpowering or anything like that. And then I got a number 7 Stay Perfect Smoothing Eyeshadow in the shade Pretty Pink. Just looks like these. I literally have every single one of these except for the green one because I don't want the green one. These are amazing. I would do a separate video on these. I literally use these every single day. They're so good. They're like a cream eyeshadow, but they just make the most stunning base, and they're really pigmented as well, so I love that. And then I also bought a number 7 nail polish in the shade Dancing Shoes. It's just a really pretty glitter. And then you got a free gift as well. So in the free gift you got a beauty sponge, which I have here. Oh my god, the number 7 beauty sponge is the best sponge ever. It's better than the original beauty blender, better than Primark, better than Real Techniques. I absolutely love this. So you've got a flat side there and then a flat side there. I love it so much, and that was my free gift. And then you also get a sample of the Skin Illuminator and an eyeshadow in Seashell, which is stunning, and then it also makes a gorgeous highlighter as well, so I'm going to use that one tomorrow. This was bought quite a while ago, but I got a body spray from Victoria's Secret in Velvet Petals. I got this actually on Boxing Day because I was working. When I finished work, I just went across to Victoria's Secret, and this was £5 for this spray, which I think is a bargain, and it smells so good. It's just really, really nice and sweet. It says Velvet Petals, but it's not very floral, so I got 2 of these as well. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep the other one because I do have loads of body spray, so I might just save it and give it to my sister for her birthday, even though it's not for ages. And then yesterday at work, I saw these limited edition vanilla and chai spice conditioners from the shade Organics, and I love this brand. And these are on sale for £1.50 each, and these are normally £7 each, and it smells like cinnamon, kind of. Really Christmassy, and I just thought £1.50, can't go wrong. And I get through conditioner so much because my hair gets really, really knotty, so I thought I would buy myself those. The rest is shampoo and conditioner, by the way. The next I got is Coco Loco shampoo from Lee Stafford because it just smells so good. I love Lee Stafford. It smells like, you know, when you was a child, you can still get them now, they're like a biscuit and then marshmallow, like 2 pink strips of marshmallow, a bit of jam, and then coconut sprinkles. It smells like that. It's so good. And Lee Stafford has brought out a new range called Choco Locks, so it's like a chocolate smelling shampoo. So I've got the shampoo, I've got 2 shampoos and 1 conditioner in here. 2 shampoos. They smell really nice. They smell like chocolate, but then I don't know. I think these would be better as like a body wash rather than a shampoo and conditioner, but I'm gonna try it anyway. And they have a mask. Oh my god, the conditioner. The conditioner smells nicer than the shampoo. So I have got a lot of hair care stuff to get through, but I will be definitely trying them out soon. So that was my collective haul. I really hope that you enjoyed watching. If you did, please thumbs up this video. Please subscribe as well, and please click that bell notification if you haven't already to be notified when I upload a new video. And I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.